welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I got the Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Box. I know I'm a little late to this. A lot of people probably have already opened it. I just received mine today. I just received tracking number yesterday, and today it just got the notification that out for delivery. So it's like about a week since I ordered it. But oh my god, I'm so excited. Check it out. It's right here. OMG. Okay, let's actually open it because I'm like so excited. And there we go. Let's open this. Oh my god, this is like super dirty. You know what? I think my boyfriend uses it for stuff. Stuff. Let's just say stuff. Alright, let's. I don't know where the other knife is, the one I usually use to open the stuff, but this will do. This will do. I think this one's like not working so well. Okay. This is open. Let's open this box. This mystery box. Ta 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 ta. Ta. Oh my god, this is my first Jeffree Star Mystery Box. Woo! Woo! Okay, I'll wait for something else. But, OMG, this is exciting. First, this is like coming out right here. The first thing I got was this liquid frost. It's called Chill Zone. Let's open this. I actually thought I was gonna get like, because everybody's been getting I'm not sure if it was Queen or no, Goddess. And I was like, no, it's probably too, oh no, it's probably too dark. This one's probably gonna be too dark as well. It's like a bronzy color, but I'm trying to take it out of the packaging here. Okay. It's like a, oh, it's real dark. It's like a copper color. I'm not too sure about this. It's too dark. Oh no. Oh, that's a lot. I put too much. OMG, I put too much. I'm gonna get some of this paper that. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of this. Because I don't want. There we go. Okay, so this is the color. So this is way too dark for me, and I cannot use this because it is too dark. Look at that. It's like too dark. I mean, it's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. This is gorgeous. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's gorgeous. It's just, it's too dark for me. It's still stuck on my feet. So yeah, I think I would have been more happy if I got like a peachy color. That would have suited me more, but I mean, it's a mystery box. I'm thinking I might just give this away to someone that's darker skin than me. That's not, yeah, it's not gonna suit me. I'm too light for that shade. I mean, if maybe if it was a golden shade, it probably would have still been good. But the next shirt is Can't Relate shirt. That's the next item I got. First Jeffree Star merch ever. Oh my god, Can't Relate. This is amazing, guys. Amazing. Woohoo! So excited. I'm so happy with this one. Next is liquid lipstick and Christmas cookie. Oh my god. I hope this is not too light. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gorgeous. It's light, but it doesn't smell like anything. But let's, well, I'm gonna swatch it. It's like a nudie shade. It's a nude, but I feel like it's still, I mean, it's like my skin color, kinda. I mean, yeah, I love it. I love it. No, I'm gonna use it. This is the color. It's like a very, like, it's like very nude color. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm totally gonna keep this one. So it's Christmas cookie. Next, oh my god, it's a bullet, a lipstick bullet. It's totally different shades from the videos I watched. All the videos had like all the same shades. This is called Snow Cone. Snow Cone. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Let's swatch this. Oh, you can barely see it, but it's like a reflect. Let me see if I can add it on top of this. It's like a green shift to it. You can barely see it. You can barely see it on here too. It's like a green glittery shift to it. Yeah. Next is, wow, a lip gloss. Lip gloss. And this is in the color Sequin Glass. I hope this one looks good. Let's not the one way. Yeah, I don't want to tear the little seal that's there. If I can get it out. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, yes we can. Kinda. Kinda. Okay, here we go. Wow. You guys. That's beautiful. Oh, you guys can't even see. It's like a pink, gray. It looks like stained glass, honestly. Like, just grab a bunch of glass and just crushed it and just put it in here. Let's take a look. My first lip gloss from Jeffree Star. I love how the gloss feels. It doesn't really... It has like a cupcake kind of smell to it. But this is the... What is... Oh, I didn't even swatch it, did I? Let's swatch it. Yeah. This one is gorgeous. Oh my god. You guys see like the pink, it's like a... Let me turn my brightness down and see if that helps. It's like a pink shift to it. Oh, let's just put this back up there. Okay. So yeah, that one's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm so happy with this one too. And the bullet. Next, we have Mystery Frost, and this is the exclusive one. He's only releasing in this box. It's the Halloween one, I guess. And it's in the classic pink round cartridge. I think I have King Tut only in this one. Let's open this, and then here's the back with the Halloween label. Oh wow, That is freaking awesome. Let's take a, oh, it feels like new carpet. This is all of them swatched together. It's kind of dark. Maybe because I rubbed some of the dark specks on it. Maybe if I go for like the light specks, it can vary. See how it changes? Oh, that's a bad example. Oh yeah, you see that? How it's a little lighter? If I go for the light specks, it's a little lighter than if you go for the gold specs. So it could vary, honestly. But I think it's still pretty cool. Exclusive. Got my fingers all over it. It's gonna, can't even talk. It's an exclusive item, so I'm definitely gonna keep this close, keep this forever probably, because it's exclusive. Only no one can get it. Next is this. Let's open this. What is this? What is this? I already know what this is. It's the minibreaker. I already knew what was in the box because I saw, but I didn't know if I was gonna get the same shades. But obviously this is, wow, that's freaking awesome. That's amazing. That orange crush has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it like that. Yeah. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I already have palettes with the same colors as these. So this one is definitely gonna go in a giveaway. Which, I'm not done with that, but in this giveaway, if you comment and like the video, you have to be subscribed to me, and I will do a giveaway of this palette. So let me just wrap this back up there, and this will go to whoever wins the giveaway. I wanted to receive the straw, but we didn't get the straw, so oh well. I was planning to give the straw away to like a friend, but I guess we didn't get the straw, so okay. Last but not least, we have the mirror. And I already have my pink mirror, which is like right there. I love Jeffree Star mirrors. But however, I don't want to break the sticker because I'm probably just gonna keep the sticker. Let me just, ow, my nails. Okay, there we go. Oh, got the sticker. I'm going to keep that and put that on my, I'm like doing this like out of camera. I'm gonna put this on this box right here, just because it's the Halloween edition one. There we go. Put it on there. That I'm gonna keep. Next, let's open this bad boy up. Alright then, you ready? Ta-da! It is the exclusive Jeffree Star mirror. Wow, this is amazing. It's gorgeous. I'm just gonna show you the part here. Up. Don't mind the mess. Yeah. It's, ooh, I'm checking myself out in the mirror. I love how Christmas cookie looks, honestly. With that gloss. But, anyways, also, I will be giving away this mirror. I love Halloween. Don't get me wrong. It's like my favorite. but I'm not really big on orange items. I mean, that shirt, I mean, it's... But as for the mirror, I mean, I love pink stuff and colorful stuff, and I feel like somebody else would really appreciate this mirror more than me. So, I will be giving away this mirror too. So, one lucky winner will receive the palette. I can open it. The palette and the mirror in the giveaway. So, like this video, comment, subscribe, comment whatever you want, or comment, you know what? I really want to hear your guys' opinion on like the whole Jeffree Star series. It's like the huge thing, so I really want to hear on Shane Dawson's series. I really want to hear your guys' opinion about what you think about it so far. I also want to know, like, you know, if you're gonna be buying like the Shane Dawson collection and all that stuff that's coming out. Like, I'm so excited. I kind of want to buy it now because it's so awesome. But we'll wait. But, you know, you guys better enter. I will give you guys a week. I'll probably do this raffle probably Saturday. I'll announce the winner Saturday. I'm going to put this on my Instagram. I'm going to announce it on my Instagram and Snapchat so anybody can enter. Anybody, even my family, because I love y'all. So, because I mean, I don't have that many followers. So, I mean, most of the people who follow me are my family or people that I know, like coworkers, or hey, you might be a random person that's following. I don't know. But I do appreciate you. Can't talk. I do appreciate you guys watching my video today. I am so happy with like these items. This, however, I'm so bummed out that I can't use this. I don't know anybody who has deeper tone of skin. Maybe like a coworker I know that might like it. But, you know, we'll see on this. Or I might include this in the giveaway as well. I mean, I don't know who might like it. Maybe you guys know. So if you enter the giveaway, maybe you guys might know who might like it, and I can include it. But I don't know. I might not include it because it's just, this shade is just really deep. And I think I might know somebody who might use it, but I will have to see if they're okay with receiving Jeffree Star products. I would need to ask them first. If not, then I'll probably include it in the giveaway, but we'll see. But anyways, guys, this is one of my favorite things, and the cookie, and this is a little, but I'm happy with these two, really happy, and the shirt, of course, the shirt. So you guys, yeah, thank you for watching. You guys give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video. I will be doing a tutorial on classic vampire makeup, maybe, or just like a fall inspired eyeshadow look. But let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see classic vampire, or do you guys want to see like a fall eyeshadow look? Or maybe you want to see me film something else. I don't know. Give me ideas. Maybe, well, I don't know, I'll come up with something. But bye, guys.